A day in the city. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia. Mia lived in a small town, but she wanted to visit the big city. One sunny Saturday, she decided to go on an adventure. Mia took the bus to the city. The bus was full of people. Some were talking and some were listening to music. Mia was very excited. When she arrived, she saw tall buildings and many cars. The city was busy and noisy. First, Mia visited a big park. In the park, she saw children playing, people walking dogs, and birds singing. She sat on a bench and ate a sandwich. The sandwich was delicious. After her lunch, she took pictures of the flowers and trees. Next, Mia walked to a museum. The museum had many interesting things. She saw paintings, old toys, and even a dinosaur skeleton. Mia learned a lot about history. She loved looking at all the cool exhibits. After the museum, Mia went to a shop. The shop sold colorful souvenirs. She bought a small keychain as a memory of her day in the city. As the sun began to set, Mia took the bus back home. She felt happy and tired. She had a wonderful day in the city. Mia could not wait to tell her friends about her adventure. The city was so exciting, and she wanted to visit again soon.